Hello there. Today we have installed Android screen, Tesla style screen in Jeep 2018 model. And as you can see, this we have make these climate control buttons to digital ones. As you can see, this is a dual zone climate control, and it's eco, sports, traction, and PCS button, parking buttons, start stop, lane assistant buttons, all are digital now. And we have so many options. These are the altitude, longitude, latitude, compass, levels. We have navigation, we have an offline navigation, radio, music, console, Bluetooth. We can play music via Bluetooth. Movies, we can watch movies. Customize, we can also customize its interface settings as well. Explorer, it's Google Chrome. Phone link, we can link our phone with the phone link. Aux, settings, and other apps, and file manager. There are the apps. We can install all other apps that we need from the Play Store. That is a Play Store, and that are the all apps that we have installed in this Tesla style screen. So if you have any question or any queries related to this Tesla style screen, we have these Tesla style screens for almost all models, for Raptors, Ford, for all American cars and all American Jeeps as well. So if you have any question, so down in the description there is a link and email address, so you can contact us here.